Hey guys, back to the video. The connections are done like this. The positive of the function generator goes to the 3.3 kilo ohm and 0.01, and the ground and the negative of the function generator goes to the ground. So when you see here, there's the one wire which goes to the positive, and there's another wire which goes to the negative. So these are the two wires which gives the positive and negative of the function generator. So the positive is connected to the function of the function generator is connected to the positive end of the resistor. So when then the connection goes like the resistor. So when the resistors is connected in series in the circuit diagram, at the same way we have to connect the resistors in the breadboard in series way too. So these are the resistors which are connected in series as I shown in the last video. So the rest of the two capacitors which we also copied from the same circuit diagram, which are connected in series. So the capacitors you can see here, as you see here, there are two capacitors which are connected in series 1 and 2. So when you see there's the common connection for this function generator between resistor and the capacitor. Here's the common connection between the resistor and the capacitor, and the other end of the resistor and capacitor, here's the common connection between them. So the next which are connected are it's shown in the circuit diagram as one capacitor, but actually it's two capacitors to be connected. So the opposite side is 1.5 kilo ohm which are connected, the two capacitors here, and, and the resistors are connected in parallel. So both are grounded here. So when you connect to the ground, you need to connect the positive to the capacitor. Between the capacitor of the resistor should be connected between the capacitors, and these two capacitors should be connected to the between the resistors. So the connection between the resistors are here, from here to here. So here's the connection. How you can see, if you come closer and see, here's the connections, and for the resistor, here's the connections for between the capacitor. So after that, we need to take input. We have to give the input and the output. So here the output is connected to the CRO. We need a function generator and a CRO for this experiment. Output for this. So the positive of the output is this, and the negative of the output is this, and it's connected to the CRO. You can see here it's connected for the two props. So the prop 1 is the input, the prop 2 is the output. When you come to the CRO settings, everything should be off. Here everything should be off, and only the dual mode should be on. So if you want to change the cycle, you can use this as a cycle depending on this thing. If you want, here's the function generator where you can use the amplitude to increase the waveform and decrease the waveform. And then when you come back to the experiment, you need to connect the input of the one prop of the CRO, that is input, is connected here. So we need to, the function generator input and the CRO input is connected in the same place, and the output is given to output also of the CRO is connected to the channel 2. So yeah, when you go to the values, these are the expected waveform which you will get. So the input comparing to the output, the input should be small and the output should be big, which it amplifies the signal. And then here's the expected graph where it should go to the maximum, and then it should decrease at one point, and then it should increase. So when you go to the values, here the values you can these are the values where you can do it.